Hey everyone, in this video we are going to go through the submission process for bounties on Gitcoin. This video has been made to help with the submission process of BadgerDAO Gitcoin Art Bounty during GR10 Hackathon. Link for the same will be in the description. This entire video has been divided into 3 parts. First is setting up GitHub account and creating a readme file and license. Second is starting work on Gitcoin, and third is submitting your work. So let's get right into it. Go to github.com, alternatively link will be in the description as well. Click on sign up. Fill in your email, choose a strong password, choose a username, and after that enter Y if you want these emails. We are choosing N. Next you will be required to solve a quick CAPTCHA, so go ahead do that. If your password isn't strong enough, it's going to notify you, so change that to something better and then re-attempt the CAPTCHA. After this, you are sent a code on your email address to verify it. Do that, enter the 6-digit code here and we are done. Now our first task is to create a repository. We can do so directly by clicking here. Give your repository a name, a description if you want. Set it to public if you want others to be able to see it, otherwise private. You'll need to set it to public for judges to be able to see it. Then you can add a readme where you can write about your project as well as add any links and a license. You have all these license options, but we are not going to worry about this for the time being. We'll do this in a later part of this video. With this, your repo is created. Alternatively, in the main screen, go to repositories and click on new. From here on is the same process again. You can directly edit your readme file by clicking on the pen icon here and editing your file. You can add text, embed media links, and add Markdown. Markdown cheat sheet link should be in the description, so you can check that out. Scroll down here and you can add title and description for your commit. Now we click on commit changes to save the changes. Next step would be adding files. Now here click on add files and you will have the option to create a new file or upload a file. Let's start by uploading a file. Click on it and in the next page you have the option to either drag and drop or selecting a file. We'll go ahead and select a file. After the file is uploaded, add the title and description for your commit and click on commit. Now let's add a license to our project. For this, go to add file, select new file and name it as license.md. As you type that, the template option pops up and you can browse through various templates. However, for this project, we'll be using Creative Commons license v4. For this, head over to creativecommons.org. The link would be in the description as well. Here, go to share your work and then get started. Here you can select different options according to your needs. If you are unsure about any of the questions, you can click on the question mark and read more about it. Once you have gone through all the options and are happy with the license, you can copy the snippet given in the box and paste it in your license. Now commit your file and refresh the page to see the license. Alternatively, you can also add license in your readme. You can create a license section below and paste the same code snippet copied earlier. Now, we are going to start our work on Gitcoin. For this, in your bounty page, click on start work. Now here, enter your project name. Any project logo, if you have one, can be added here by clicking choose file and then uploading an image. Next, fill the project summary. Write something meaningful about your project here. Here, enter the link to the GitHub repo created in the last step containing your files. You don't need to have a finalized repo just yet. We can edit this at the time of the submission as well. Now if you have a demo video, add its link here. Finally, add the GitHub username of all the team members here, including your own, and click submit. Your project is now saved and you have started working on this bounty. And when you scroll down, you will find your entry in the applicants panel. Final step is submission of your work. For this, in your bounty page, click on Submit Work. In Project Link, enter the finalized link to the GitHub repo of your work. Make sure the project is the one you're supposed to be submitting. Enter video demo link if you have any, and enter your wallet address in the payout address. If you're connected with your wallet, you can click on Sync with Web3 Wallet and it will fetch your address. Enter the approximate number of hours spent on working on this bounty. Now check the terms and conditions and click Submit. Your work is now submitted. When you scroll down, you'll find your work among the submissions. That is it for this video, and we'll see you next time.